Have you ever met someone with incredible ideas, big dreams, and unlimited potential, yet years later nothing has changed? Here's the shocking part. They're probably not lazy. In fact, many of them are highly intelligent. So what's really stopping them? The answer isn't motivation. It's psychology. And once you understand it, you'll never see procrastination the same way again. Every person dreams. A successful business, financial freedom, a healthier body, a better future. Dreaming feels good. But if dreaming feels so motivating, why do millions never take the first step? The answer begins inside your brain. Your brain rewards imagination. When you vividly picture success, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to motivation. For a few moments, it actually feels like you've already accomplished something. That's why talking about your goals feels exciting. But here's the problem. That reward can trick your brain into believing progress has already happened. Dreaming slowly replaces doing. Fear rarely says, "I'm scared." Instead, it sounds like this. "I'll start next Monday. I need more preparation. I just need the perfect time." These sound responsible, but underneath, they're often protecting you from failure. Because if you never start, you never have to discover whether you'll succeed. Perfectionism is another trap. People wait for the perfect plan, the perfect skills, or the perfect opportunity. But perfection never arrives. Meanwhile, social media makes everything worse. You see everyone else's highlights, not their failures. The more you compare yourself, the less likely you are to take action. Here's the truth. Dreams don't become reality because of motivation. They become reality because of small, consistent actions. Don't say, "I'll write a book." Say, "I'll write 200 words today." Don't say, "I'll get fit." Say, "I'll walk for 15 minutes. Small actions create momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence creates success. The difference between dreamers and achievers isn't intelligence. It isn't talent. It's action. What's one small action you'll take today? Subscribe to Growth Facts. Learn better. Think better. Grow better.